Okie doke. At Fluffy's, nice sunny morning. We're supposed to have sun all day long. Okie dokes. Here's your treats. I just needed to add some water to Fluffy's water dish. We have Tabby, Lucifer, and Fluffy here this morning. So I went over to put the water in, and there's Lucifer. And there's Tabby over there. There's Lucifer. Anyway, so I went to put the water in Fluffy's water dish. Lucifer was walking along the fence path away from the food and water dish area. Okay. Yeah, I see you. A handsome guy. We have Collie sitting by the in the back parking lot of the Lutheran church by their shed. So far she's finally moving. Very good. Making her way over. There she is. Come on, baby. Good morning, Collie. Nice to see you this morning. Means we've seen all 4 of our feral kitties. So you get some food and some treats. Just waiting for you. Come on. Come on, Collie. There we go. Right there. Alrighties. Well, one of our red-tailed hawks is on the fence in the back area of Alviso Adobe Park. Here comes the spotted toe. He's going to get a worm. Very good. Okay, song sparrow buddy. Come on back. And a golden crown sparrow. And spotted toe, he's back for another worm. Very good. Yeah, there you are. So nice to have the sun out where we can see their colors and features better. You have another golden crown sparrow that's heading over. There. Ooh, a fox sparrow coming over. Come on over. And the spotted is coming back. Yes, that's 3. We're back at Fluffy's. We have Tabby here as well. Jay's gonna get some treats to her. She's up by the fence. Well, she was by the fence. Beautiful sunny morning. We're ready for sun. We still need rain, but sun is nice. Very good. It's all gone. Go to the southern side. Hurry, hurry. That's the one, last one.